And for the final updates of today, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated this high within the overall impulse before then switching bearish on the lower time frame. If we move down onto the 4-hour, we can see that we've had a couple of breaks of structure in towards the downside, with this one here followed by this one here. We've got this as our swing high and this is our swing low. We did say last week we were looking for this high to get liquidated before seeing that strong sell off in towards the downside. As you can see, we had some bearish candles, but nothing too concrete to suggest to me that price is now ready to start moving down. Combined with the strength in the dollar that we're seeing at the moment, I'm not anticipating this to drop until we see some de-escalation in the Middle East. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, we can see that we are technically bullish as well, with a break of structure over here, followed by another break of structure over here. So you could be anticipating some long positions, maybe even following this demand chain that's pushing price currently in towards the upside. If we go on to USDJPY, I'm still not looking to trade this, although I am seeing a nice trend starting to form on the lower time frame. I just don't like the look of these big wicks that we're seeing, which will mean that you can easily get liquidated with one small push in towards the downside. And there's risk of intervention at any level, especially now we're near enough at this level of supply. If we move on to USD CAD on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure in towards the downside with our swing high and our swing low. We've liquidated this high within the overall impulse before seeing a nice strong sell-off in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see, however, we are technically bullish with a break of structure in towards the upside, our swing low and our swing high. This supply chain that was pushing price in towards the downside has now failed, and we are seeing somewhat of a lower time frame demand chain pushing price now in towards the upside, which I will be actively looking for longs from this week. As you can see, this demand chain has been holding very nicely and has been continuously pushing price in towards the upside. This is the current demand zone that's in control. I don't like how choppy this has been, so I might wait for another break up, break this high, create a new demand zone here, and then set a limit order to then target further up. I think there is more room to go up to take higher time frame liquidity, namely this high at least over here.